In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change country on Wise. To get started, sign in to your Wise account using your usual login details. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile picture. This will open the account menu, where you'll need to select Settings. Inside Settings, open the Personal Details section. From there, click on Personal Information. This is where Wise stores the personal details connected to your account, including your address and residency information. Take a moment to make sure you're in the right place before making any updates. Next, scroll down until you find the address and residency section. Here, you should see your current address details listed on the screen. Click Edit next to those details to begin updating them. When the form opens, enter your new address and the country you want to change to. Be sure to type everything carefully and accurately, since this information may be used to verify your identity and account status. If the option is available, select your new country from the country list provided. This step is important because it tells Wise which country should now be associated with your personal details. After entering the updated information, review everything once more to make sure there are no typing mistakes or missing fields, then save the changes. In some cases, Wise may ask you to verify the update before it can be fully approved. If that happens, upload proof of address or identity documents as requested. Make sure the documents are clear, valid, and match the information you just entered. This helps avoid delays during the review process. Once your documents and updated details are ready, submit the information for review. After that, all you need to do is wait for Wise to verify and approve the changes. Verification times can vary, so it may take a little while depending on your account and the documents provided. When the review is complete, go back to personal information and confirm that your country details have been updated correctly. This final check helps ensure the change was processed successfully and that your account now reflects your current country information. And that's it. You've now learned how to change country on Wise in a simple step-by-step way. Thanks for watching.